something that is weird. We found the for the university. How to go there? First, get the word kids one, sir, and next go to add parameter. Do what I did. Wait. Yo, it's so big. And here, go to there and do that. Next, go to flower and activate. Like that. This, this is this is how it looks like. How did it run faster? So 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 you might think no one can type. So when I just spawn the character C, just looks like a way. See you later.